Which one I got? Mom.
Go ahead, go open it.
Wow. Mom. Mom. Is it? Oh. You can put your stuff.
Oh, I guess it's. Oh, it's something that goes on like the side of a table or something like that. And you put on it, and you have like, your bag and everything.
What is that? What is that? Look at her face.
For me too.
Say thank you, Ate.
Say thank you. Left.
Look at her face.
There we go. Oh, sorry.
Look, what's the other one?
Wreck-It Ralph. Daddy, look, we got Wreck-It Ralph. Daddy, look, Wreck-It Ralph.
Wow.
And the movie.